How to see offers on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can see offers on Mercari. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari's account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, go to the top right corner, you would see the messages icon. But if you cannot see it, click on your profile icon, okay? Now, once you are logged in, you will no longer see sign up or login like you can see on my screen. Instead, you'll see your profile icon. So just click on your profile icon, and then in the drop down menu that appears, select messages or inbox. All right. And then once you do that, you'll be taken to the messages section. Once you're in this section, the next step would be for you to check out your messages. You would see a list of offers you've made, and if sellers have accepted any of these offers, you will see the responses from sellers also in this messages section. That is where you can see all of the offers that you've made on Mercari. It's that simple. It is in your messages section that you can track the status of the offers and see if they've been accepted, rejected, or if you need to make a follow-up. So if you want to see offers on Mercari, just log in to the top right corner, navigate your way to your messages session, and then once you're in the session, you'll see the list of your offers there. Thank you for watching and have a good day.